Guys, did you know you can make your own granola at home? Did you know that you don't need an oven to make your own granola? Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade granola. You can bake it or you can make it on your stovetop. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene and this is Hairy Lifestyle. We are all about a wholesome, healthy lifestyle that is simple and affordable. So as I said earlier, today I'm going to show you how to make granola. It's actually very easy. If you've bought granola from the shop, I bet you can't pronounce some of the ingredients you will find in that granola. But when you make your own granola at home, you're in charge of your ingredients. You know exactly what you have put in that granola. It's perfect for your health. It's perfect for your children. My kids love this thing. It disappears within a few days. They love it for breakfast, a very easy meal just before they go to school. Let's just take a moment and go through our ingredients. Over here, I have 3 kinds of flakes. This is oat flakes, this is wheat flakes, and this is barley flakes. You can get this in any local supermarket. You don't have to use all 3. I prefer to use all 3 because I'm making it at home and I can afford it. Now that it's cheaper to make it at home, I use the 3 flakes. Here I have some chocolate chips. These ones we'll put right at the end, not when we are cooking it. These ones will come right at the end. Over here I have my seeds. This is sunflower seeds, these are sesame seeds, and these are pumpkin seeds. Over here I have my spices. We have cardamom powder, we have cinnamon powder, and of course a little bit of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. Here I have some roasted cashew nuts. I bought roasted, so these ones I'll put them towards the end because they are already cooked. Over here I have my honey, I have my peanut butter, and I have my ghee. I'll also use orange flavor just to give it an extra orange zesty feeling and taste. Yes, and those are the ingredients we're going to use today. In this bowl where I have my honey, I'm going to add my ghee. It's already melted. And then I'm going to add my peanut butter. Try and get all of it. You don't want to waste anything. So I'm going to put this mixture in the microwave for maybe 30 seconds to 1 minute so that everything can melt down and incorporate properly. In this other bowl, I'm going to mix all my other ingredients other than the chocolate chips and the cashew nuts because they're already cooked. Those are all my flakes, my pumpkin seeds, my sesame seeds, my sunflower seeds, and my spices. Make sure everything incorporates well. It's already smelling so good. I love the smell of cardamom. Next, we're going to take our mixture of melted ghee, peanut butter, and honey, and we're going to pour it into our solid ingredients. Mix everything together nicely. Take your time and make sure everything incorporates together. As you can see, I've taken my time to ensure that everything incorporates well. You want all your ingredients to be coated in the honey, peanut butter, and ghee mix. Every flake should be well and nicely covered. I'm going to transfer this mixture to my sufuria. As I said, we are going to make this on the stove top. If you want to bake this, you can put this on your baking tray and put it in your oven. It will take you about 5 minutes. Keep turning it and keep checking on it. Within 10 to 15 minutes, you should be done baking it. I'm going to cook mine on the stove top. I find it easier that way and I find it consumes less power when I do that. Yes, I'm trying to save some money. So if you don't have an oven, don't be intimidated. You can do this. Just use a small flame and keep turning your granola as it cooks. Make sure you watch it carefully so that you don't burn anything. Our granola is now on the stove top. I'm going to make sure that I regulate my fire. I can turn it up and also turn it low. Turn it as low as possible so that you don't burn your granola, and keep turning it every single moment. As you can see, our granola is doing very well. It's browning up pretty nicely. I'm going to add my cashew nuts so they can just warm through, cook also a little bit more. Guys, don't be tempted to remove your granola at this point. Allow it to brown. The taste of the granola is in how brown it gets. Don't burn it, but let it brown properly. Another thing I wanted to add is make sure you use a heavy sufuria. Get the heaviest saucepan you have in your house and use that, because that is what will help you not to burn your granola. And our granola is ready. Look at that, guys. Wasn't that easy? Wasn't that easy? Make sure you try this recipe because it is so easy and so fulfilling. I've just pulled my granola out of the fire. It's all brown. Be patient with it. Allow it to brown all the way. Now, a little secret that I will share with you right now. This is the point where I add my chocolate chips. I add my chocolate chips when my granola is still hot, because I want the chocolate chips to melt, and then once they've melted and cool down, when the granola cools down all the way, the chocolate chips will now solidify and will give you these amazing chunks of granola that is mixed in with the chocolate. Let's go ahead and add. I'm just going to stir so that my chocolate chips are distributed well. I don't want them to melt only on one point. Oh, I wish you could smell this. And I can't disturb them too much because I don't want the chocolate chips to melt on my spatula. You see that the chocolate is already melting. So that is it. This is our granola. I'm going to allow this granola to cool all the way until it is completely cold. Then we will serve it, give it a taste, and store it away, and you can enjoy it for the next few days. Another easy peasy, healthy, and easy to make recipe has come your way. I hope you enjoyed making granola with me today. As I said earlier, this is easy. You can do it for yourself and you'll see that you will save a lot of money. You'll know exactly what is in your granola. Thank you for hanging out with me. This is Hairy Lifestyle. My name is Irene. Kindly don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Let's engage. It was so good hanging out with you. I'll see you in my next video.